So Google Optimize is this incredibly powerful split testing tool that's free. But the other thing it does, and I tell you right on here, is actually the first thing, create personalized experiences and run website tests. So maybe they want us to personalize our websites with it. If you look in Personalization Overview, it's a document they put together, they explain to you engagement increases when you create personalized experiences. But very few people do this. And one of the easiest things you could do is optimize the site for new versus returning visitors. So we're going to walk through that today in a real-life Shopify store. So here we have my wife's Shopify site, and on it, we've got this introduction video in which she explains who she is, why you should care, and we've got this line that's meant to agitate the pain. How's a busy mom like me supposed to plan the best Disney World vacation? Well, if you're returning to this site, you probably want to book a vacation. So we want to optimize for lead gen in that case. And what we're going to do is if it's been 3 weeks since their first visit, maybe they're ready to plan a vacation. So what we're going to do is for those people only, using Google Optimize, we're going to hide this video and we're going to change this headline so it's a call to action. And I want to include this book a vacation link, so I'm going to copy that. Okay, so in Google Optimize, just refresh this, make sure it's ready for us. Click Create Experience, and we'll give it a descriptive name. We'll say Personalize for returning visitors. Our editor page, this is the one we want to change, is going to be the home page. And our experience is personalization. All right, so let's create there. And the first thing we have to do before we could do anything else is make our site changes. And the Google Optimize editor is super easy. I love this thing. All right, here we go. So first, let's hide our video. It's so easy. Click the video, see it's highlighted, edit element, remove. It's gone. And then it had a container section. I'm just going to get rid of that too. Boom. All right, so there, my video's gone, and it was that easy. What about this text up here? So 2 ways to do this. I could click edit element, edit text, and look at this. It just turns into a text editor, which is great. It could be like, ready to book your best Disney World vacation ever? Request a quote. Boom. But that doesn't give me a link. So let's do edit element, edit HTML. Here it shows me the HTML for the element. And so what we'll do is we're just going to write an anchor tag in there. And look at that. It says HTML is not balanced. It even tries to error check it for me. It's like, please don't screw this up. And so we'll paste our URL in there. Oops, I just want to clean that up. There we go. Apply. And there now you can see it's a link. That works. And we're set on this page. I mean, I could do more, but that's all I want to do. And this also assumes that I have faith that this is going to work. Google Optimize in the documentation will tell you, hey, split test these changes before you just commit them to the site. So here we're going to hit save, done. And so now we have that. Here's the problem. If I just hit start on this, it's going to show that to everybody. So we need to do some audience targeting. We're going to say customize. And they've got this option, behavior. And behavior, the only thing it gives you is time since first arrival and page refer. Page refer is kind of cool. You could change stuff on a page based on where they came from. We're going to say time since first arrival is greater than, and we're going to say, let's go with 3 weeks. So we'll say 20 days. Add. Okay, so now if someone visits the site, they get cookied. And then if they return to the site 3 weeks after that, then they're going to get a different version of the site, this editor experience version. Fantastic. And we're going to turn on email notifications. Click start. Optimize snippet not found. I swear it's there. I know I've put it on there. Start. Boom. And that's it. Now, if you did have to add that optimized snippet, it's a single line of JavaScript they give you. You copy and paste it into the theme code. You need to be a little comfortable with it. but it's not terribly difficult. Okay, so now we've got our thing running. Hopefully we've tested this change, and we've got some, here we don't have reporting enabled, but this is the thing you want to keep track of. So, okay, hope that helps.